1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
It's the 10 crack commandments. Wow. Man can't tell me nothing about this coke. Can't tell me nothing about this crack, this weed, and my hustling nigga.
Play-Doh green, mate.
You look like a fucking loose cut.
Excellent canoes here.
Hey?
I was just seeing excellent canoes.
Oh, yeah, they're coming to your home.
Yeah.
Seem to go to the casino or something.
Everyone's going to town to casino. Oh, we're going to town tonight.
Oh, we've got a special guest today. White Play-Doh green.
My Play-Doh green. In the flesh, I do exist.
This is the first time I've actually seen it in person.
Yeah.
Because every other time I've seen it's been on the ground.
Oh. She's tight.
We got that Mike Play-Doh approval.
The man, the myth, the legend.
The green.
The green.
You got your exhaust done this week, eh?
Yeah, just waiting to get it back.
It's not done fully yet.
It's being welded. I've got a flexi and a V-band to do the crossover pipe.
I'll put a picture up of the exhaust now. It's fucking sick.
Did you do the manifold yourself, or did he do that as well?
I did that, that's why it's so hoary.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Oh, wait till you see it out of the car.
Oh, okay.
I was looking at those welds the other day.
Yeah. Seagull special.
They work.
That gooch weld's quite good.
The what?
That gooch weld's quite good.
Yeah, but that's custom, mate. I spent like a good 2 hours on that.
Have they either done that?
Yeah.
It's actually pretty good.
It's not bad, eh?
Quite impressed.
Goes hard for what it is.
It goes
But you loosen the rod.
20 auto, 7 grand.
Yeah. Hey Play-Doh, you want to see something that'll blow your mind?
Oh,
They came out good.
Yeah, compared to what it was, eh?
fucking tight, mate. Alright. Dude, your dog's stuck. It's like, what's going on?
The dog is going to get past that, look.
The trailer's just fucking with it.
Yeah, we took us like 10 of us lifted off the trailer last night.
10?
Fucking got sketchy.
It was at least like 20.
Ah, it's fucking out of control.
I've been fixing a lawnmower. Down there, he's a good boy.
Fucking look at him.
TE72 REE.
Holy
Engine 3T.
engine, Kevo.
Oh, can you get 12 mil?
Can I get the 12 mil? Fuck.
Got that. How did you get those in there?
Yes,
They don't want to come back out. One at a time, Kev, one at a time.
Kev, 12 mil.
3.8?
Yeah.
Oh, where'd you get that one? Stanley Chains. That's right to work. There was a Lexus in here at one point. But it was auto.
Yeah.
It's good car. Just getting a 3T GTE out of Shane's fastback.
It's clean.
Yeah, it's a shame you cut this and bash that, but South Africa.
South African.
Oh, that feels so gross. Turbo Smart, BC, Nolafane, Eagle. Fuck, she's a race car, mate. She's a race car.
You don't even need an extension. Does it though?
Because Cuddies. Shane.
Does it?
Because Cuddies.
Alright.
Hey Kev, I'll cut you a deal.
What's that?
If you swap all my running gear over, I'll buy you a drive shaft.
Oh.
Yep, done.
Oh, yeah. We got the fucking plugs. Yeah.
What? Slide into the MD.
Yeah. That was so sly.
You want to
That's not that one from
you want to experience the YMAX best? Slide in those DMs.
Walking on training progress.
So look at that here. He drives a Falcon as well.
I just made a dumb deal.
We've dubbed him Dirty Jesus.
Dirty Jesus.
You didn't make a dumb deal, Shane. I made a dumb deal.
No, you made a dumb deal.
I made a
How
dumb
much
deal.
of a drive shaft?
$280.
Oh, okay, then done.
So that's like what, $10 an hour or something?
That's alright.
Fuck. You're running on those fucking
Do it for them boys.
50 wages
What's
though.
up to like $400?
No.
Well, hey, no. I rang him up.
No, it is 400. You just give
Bring up.
Kim the extra 120.
I rang him up and said how much to shorten it, balance it, and put a Hilux end on it, and he said 280 because he knows my granddad.
Okay, then
Getting those deals.
bring my fast back home since I'm too busy because I've got 20
I reckon we just ripped the running gear out and put it on.
I just zoomed in on you,
I
mate.
want to put the good, no,
You can't get away from me.
change your plan because I want to put the good running gear into
I've got a game now. Every time he puts his phone up, I'm going to zoom in on him. It's how many times he's Snapchatting.
Like all day.
Snapchat Dirty Jesus. Can you change your username to Dirty Jesus?
No, because it's already good. It's a piece of shit.
This is true.
Oh, fuck Dirty Jesus. Grab that bonnet, mate.
Try me for ages.
There's holy water there.
Holy water. Jesus, just.
Oh man! Oh, I fucked it!
You're going to fuck the bonnet, mate.
What'd you do to my bonnet, Kev?
Oh, today.
It's just the fucking hair. Pop. This whole video is just going to be.
Every Corolla is dented beer.
What do you want the sweet one, Shane?
Every Corolla is dented beer.
In the bin.
In the bin.
Yeah, round back. No, not round back, we're gonna clean it up.
It's mint condition.
No, we'll just nail you to a fucking Corolla bonnet. Dirty
mint-
Jesus. It's not a cross.
It's mint condition. It's only hit the windscreen once.
Hey, you know,
The windscreen's
those real
full.
professional photos, like, of like them on the beach and stuff, and like with their pregnant belly and shit like that. We could get him Dirty Jez like pretend like nailed to the cross line. I mean nailed to the
Corolla bonnet.
Yeah.
This is going to be a good episode.
Photo shoot sprawled across the balcony.
It's so close.
2J.
Yeah, I'll see that.
You're going to get popular on my videos. People are going to fucking start asking you questions. You know they do. Some people will add you on Snapchat.
Where were you born?
We also born.
Goon?
No, not Free Europe.
He came out of a Virgin Mary.
A Virgin Mary.
From Jerusalem.
Virgin Mary from Cone.
Jerusalem.
I swear she's a virgin because you don't remember it after all them Cindy's.
Cindy's. Yeah.
The imitation one Dutch hoodie. Right.
Oh, my shit on.
Fuck, you're white.
What time? Yeah.
Yes.
Well, it's
Oh, that's an old photo.
That's a shitter.
I don't even have that photo.
Do you not?
Oh. You still have it saved on your phone? Yeah.
What one?
That when like I first got the car?
Yeah. Pretty sure I do.
Is this all your sweet stuff?
No, I wish. I wish. That's the channel Snapchat.
Like that.
So Wolford's been doing like everything's like main.
Babe.
Yeah. I've been trying to find one of those main contracting trucks. Snapchat in and be like contracting main. Yeah, trying to be.
One of these days, one of the subscribers is going to turn you into a meme.
I already am a man.
Like, it's my birthday soon, so if someone could please, like for my birthday, 16th of October, I'm expecting memes. Nothing derogatory, please.
Just something, just make him a meme.
I am I'm a walking meme. My life's a meme. Where's the house? Is looking funny. Corolla, good quality Corollas are back in the garage.
Yeah.
Well, in the garage, finally.
That's some fucking mumble shit, eh?
I feel like I should be wearing sneakers and jeans and like. Sorry.
Is it doing any weird shit, Ben?
No, it's not doing any weird shit.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I like how this jack's sitting on the sun.
Jack's stuck. Oh no, we good.
Double jack.
We got double jacking, mate.
We're jacking off.
It's good with the double jack,
Yeah.
especially with Ben's involved. Did some weird shit happen, mate?
Right. Oh no, not me, Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper's on the mad angle, eh?
Stance.
Dr. Pepper. Medium fucking rare.
Oh no, that's okay. That'll come out when a bit.
What have you done?
Oh, that jack's stuck.
The jack stuck.
Yeah.
Fuck. That's why it's not slammed, mate. You fucking dirty Jesus, eh?
Yeah, if I slammed it, well, which I could, that's like.
You wouldn't be able to move.
No, I'm
But
worried.
your tyres would hit your fucking top of your guards before the car hits the ground.
I already know.
Fucking hypocrite as
how
you can say.
Do you want to know how much Ben loves Seppies?
Does he love them?
5. Oh yeah.
What the fuck are you doing? Are you throwing money out of a Seppi? I need to get you on the Seppi. I don't have a sunroof though.
Oh, well, that's fucking shit.
I used to have a sunroof
Make
Seppi.
one.
That's fucking shit.
Oh, I know there's a roof cut of a Corolla that's got a sunroof in it. We can take the sunroof out of it. Put it in the Seppi.
Nah,
Or I can put it in this.
it'll leak. I would, yeah.
Yeah, what
I
do
might-
people reckon? Should I put a sunroof in this? What do you think, Ben?
Fuck people.
Sunroof?
I don't think filming's going to be too great today because James decided to fucking mow the lawns.
James decided to give his Honda a run.
Yeah. Up the pair hop.
Go this side because otherwise the handle hits the fuel tank. Hard race with the adjustable panhard.
Shout out Axel Stand for mean cameraman.
That no spring one.
Fucking up the pair hop. I bet the other side looks hella dope.
The other side.
Oh, did you take the spacer off?
I took the wide spacer off the wheel. Exhaust mount.
Found some bolts.
Yeah, exhaust mount. I mean, we made the exhaust the other night.
And we put a pair hop.
That looked really tight.
Dude, you're not going to be able to get it out. Oh, mate. So many bumpers. Oh, we're Gucci. That's a good height. In the back.
It's not far off right now.
Give it a bounce, mate. She's stiff as. Oh shit, she is.
It's on bounce off.
Yeah.
Alright, so I have my front arms flat. Flat enough.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck. Falcon, eh? Yeah.
Fucking hell, isn't it?
Falcon hell. Was that filmed with a potato?
Yes.
Oh, fucking A.
Of course it is. It's really good.
Ash Vegas. Some good shit. Jake Paul, that cunt too.
We got a Jack Pauler over here.
Fuck off. Well, his brother's Logan as well. Fuck, he's a dumb cunt as well.
It's every day, bro.
It's every day, bro. With that Jake Paul flow.
You hot doggo.
Fuck, I'm gonna be all over his Snapchat in a second. If you want to hit him up on Snapchat, you better be fucking.
Better be a real one.
Better be a real one.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah. Up the bin, pal.
We'll just take the steering wheel. We can take the steering wheel. We can pass it.
You got no for that.
Dorky. Just looking at the.
What are you looking at now?
It's just.
Oh, fuck. Fuck off.
We'll stop standing in front of. Oh, that's nice.
Hey.
Hey.
Yeah, back on the ground. Moving cars around. Trying to tidy up the house just because it's coming into summer. Have a few more people around and stuff. But made some pretty good progress on it.
We haven't forgot about you guys.
Yeah, just thought we'd do a bit of an update so that you actually know what's going on, because I've been trying to keep Instagram and Snapchat up to date, but it's not the same
Yeah.
as hearing it from me. But got the engine running, so it revs up and stuff like that. Got a full stainless exhaust made, no mufflers. Oh, it's got interior now, full interior. Just got to put the seats and stuff in. Once I put the drive shaft hoop in, put some rear shocks in it, make an adapter plate for the brake master, and then a rubber hose for the rear brake line, and it'll have brakes.
Put a drive shaft in it.
Yeah, drive shaft, hopefully that'll get made soon. And then, yeah, so I painted the door shut, so the doors are on for good now. Been messing around making a scuttle tray, because they had like 3 different ones, and making one good one out of it, the twin headlight one. And then, yeah, I quit my job at Rosie's, got offered a better opportunity back where I was. So free up some more cash for Corollas. Probably mean that I'm just working on it in the weekend more than during the week, but you got to compromise somewhere. Yeah, it's not far. Don't think it'll be legal for fours and rotaries, but it'll be at fours and rotaries because we've got car transporter now.
Yeah.
And,
Put it up on that one, man.
yeah, we probably have some sort of tow vehicle around at the time, but yeah, they should let me on the track and stuff at fours and rotaries, seeing as race cars do, and they're not warranted and registered and stuff. But yeah, no, it's getting there. Sanded the primer off, and then it was red underneath, so it was really good. Damn, Honda's always turning up making a noise. But it was a...
It's going to be at Fours and Rotors.
We'll be at Fours and Rotors. Yeah, running and driving.
What if subscribers come up to you and want to ride?
Depending on the rules and stuff, yeah, it's cool. Just let us know who you are and how you know of the car, or even if you don't know the car. Well, if you're watching this, you'll know the car. But yeah, no, I'm just amping to drive it. Like, it's so stupidly close now that it's just fizzing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, probably get a bit lighter on the posts and stuff once it's painted, because I sort of want to reveal it to you guys once it's all finished and together and everything, so that you just sort of see it as it is now.
I reckon we could do a video of it getting painted, then release that after the reveal video.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll get some rolling shots and
Some skids.
industrial area over there. It'll
In Mexico?
yeah, go to Mexico.
Yeah.
What's like New Zealand's Mexico?
Stewart Island.
Yeah, we'll go to Stewart Island.
Stewart Island? Yeah.
Yeah, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, buy stickers. Kieran's got some stickers for sale. Then, yeah, just tell your friends. We like the exposure. We like people coming up and saying g'day. And yeah.
See you later.